Take care of your relationships and the money will take care of itself. Successful people are always looking for opportunities to help others. Success lies in a masterful consistency around a few fundamentals. Success is the ability to go from failure to failure without losing your enthusiasm. Success is nothing more than a few simple disciplines, practiced every day. Failure's biggest secret is getting you to believe it does. Stand for something or else you'll fall for anything. Speak softly and carry a big stick, you will go far. Sometimes life is going to hit you in the head with a brick. Shift from being busy to achieving results. Setting goals is the first step in turning invisible into the visible. Saying I'll try really means I'm not really committed. Remember that failure is an event, not a person. Rainmakers turn customer objections into customer objectives. Quality performance starts with a positive attitude. Pursue one great decisive aim with force and determination. Problems are not stop signs, they are guidelines. Perseverance is failing 19 times and succeeding the 20th. Peak performers replace depletion with inspiration on a daily basis. Other people's opinions of you are none of your business. Optimism is the one quality associated with success and happiness than any other. Opportunity doesn't knock, it presents itself when you beat down the door. One way to keep momentum going is to have constantly greater goals. One of the primary tactics for enduring winning is daily learning. No bird soars too high if he soars with his own wings. Nothing about an excuse can help your situation. Never say anything about yourself you do not want to come true. Nobody cares how much you know, until they know how much you care. Never miss a moment to encourage someone you work with. No one can make you feel inferior without your consent. Never leave the sight of a strong idea without doing something to execute around it. Never leave that till tomorrow which you can do today. Money and success demand attention. Ignore either and you will have neither. Look for the good in every person in every situation. Leadership is the ability to elicit extraordinary performance from ordinary people. Measure your success by your inner scorecard versus an outer one. Motivation will almost always beat mere talent. Motivation is what gets you started. Habit is what keeps you going. Make the work you are doing today better than the work you did yesterday. Leadership is doing what is right when no one is watching. Knowing what to do and not doing it is the same as not knowing what to do. Lucky is where skill meets persistence. Motivation is the art of getting people to do what you want them to do because they want to do it. Keep your eyes on the stars and your feet on the ground.
Education is the beginning of transformation. Energy and persistence conquer all things. Early to bed and early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy and wise. Either you run the day or the day runs you. Don't wish it were easier, wish you were better. Either I will find a way, or I will make one. Don't mistake movement for achievement.